Did you know that your phone can become a making money tool in crypto? In today's video, I'm going to show you how to invest in cryptocurrency using your mobile phone. Okay, so don't skip this video. By the end of this video, you're going to know the best app you can invest in. Okay, so let's go straight to the point. The first thing you need to know is before you can invest in any cryptocurrency, you need a trusted app. Okay, so Binance app for you. Okay, so what you have to do is go to Play Store and then download your Binance app. When you download your Binance app, then the next thing you need to is created your account. Okay, they will ask you for ID or passport. Okay, so any of them you have, then you use it to verify your account. Make sure to do your KYC verification, because that one help them to protect your money so that you won't get any issue. So after you verify your account, the next thing you need to do is you will deposit. Okay, you can use your mobile money, bank card, or P2P. Okay, then you deposit any amount you want to deposit. After the deposit, now you go to buy section and then select coin you want. We have Bitcoin, Ethereum, or Solana. So any coin you want to buy, then you enter the amount you want to buy. And always research before investing. Okay, do your own research before investing. Okay, so after that, then they will send you a confirmation. Okay, so after the confirmation, then what next you can do also is you can also refer your friends. You can use your referral code to refer your friends and start earning some small money from it. Okay, and as you're a beginner, I will advise you to invest it for long term. Okay, so that it will help you earn more. Okay, don't invest in short term, invest in long term so that you will get more earning. Okay, and the next thing you have to know is you can also do a trade. You can buy your coin a low price and sell it a high price to get money. Okay, so as you don't know anything about it, I will tell you to hold on for now. Okay, because for investing, you can lose your money or earn interest from it. Okay, so this is how to invest in cryptocurrency. Okay, so if you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and then comment. Okay, and then subscribe to this channel for more tips like this. Thank you for watching it. See you next time. Bye.